Hi students, so this is your contents of 4th standard syllabus of English subject. So first unit you are having is the raindrops. So unit number 1 is raindrops, and these are the units which you have in your textbook. Okay, so now in today's video class we are going to do the reading of the chapter The Raindrops. So the title, the chapter name is The Raindrops. Here is the warm-up exercise. So this exercise you need to find out. They have jumbled the words. You have to rearrange the letters by finding out the related to the weather. By finding out the words which is related to the weather. Okay. So first is GFO. You have to find out the name which is related to weather. So second is NAIR, third is WONS, and fourth is IWND. Okay, so now we are going to do the reading. So please listen to that, every word which I pronounce it. Okay. Farmer Seth had a large field of wheat. He weeded it carefully and prayed for it to rain every day. He wanted to sell his wheat so that his family could live on that money for the rest of the year. However, after working hard for many months, he saw that the wheat had started to wither and droop. This was because there had been no rain for a long time. He began to fear that all his hard work would be wasted and he would have no wheat to harvest. He felt very sad. Every morning he went out to the field, looked at the thirsty wheat stalks and prayed for it to rain. One day, as he stood looking up at the sky, hopefully, two little raindrops, Pit and Path, saw him. Pit said, "Look at the farmer. I feel very sorry for him. He works so hard to grow his wheat, but now it's all drying up. I want to help him." "Yes, me too," said Path. "But we are only two little raindrops. What can we do? Just the two of us can't water a big field." "Well said, Pit. I know I cannot do much, but perhaps I can cheer up the farmer a little. I am going to do my best. I will go down to the field to show I am ready to help." Then before falling, Pit quickly added, "Path, come along with me." "Well, if you are really going, I'll come too." With a great shout of joy, the raindrops jumped down. Pit landed on the farmer's nose and Path fell on a thirsty stalk of wheat. "Oh," said Farmer Seth, "what's that? A raindrop? Where did it come from? At last, I do believe we shall have a shower." By this time, many raindrops had come together to see what he two raindrops were up to. When they saw the kind little raindrops going down to cheer the farmer and water his wheat, one remarked, if you two are going on such a good errand, I will go too. And down I came. So, and down it came. Me too, said another. And me, and me, and me, and so they all joined pit and pat until a whole shower came down and the wheat was watered. Then the wheat grew and ripened, and Farmer Seth rejoiced. All his hard work was finally rewarded because one little raindrop tried to do whatever little it could. So this is the lesson which you have in the unit number 1, the raindrops. So I want you to read the lesson 2 times, okay? Pronounce the word properly. So 2 times read the lesson. Okay, thank you students.